So there's an incentive for insurance companies to stall and to drag their feet to try and resolve these claims, because if it goes long enough, they win. We get a lot of questions about nursing home cases, injuries, abuse, things like that. This is an area that is very regulated. The cases can be difficult to prove because the person who's injured isn't always able to communicate. You don't always have witnesses, things like that. They're difficult cases to prove. And that's sort of the point. But if you do have a lawyer who's familiar with doing these kinds of things, we're going to be able to get information to help prove that case, whether it's records within the facility itself. Almost everything they do is recorded, and documented one way or another. A lot of times there's security cameras, and they have to follow certain protocols. There are, rules on how they're supposed to operate, and, they need to prove that they have complied with those rules. And getting into those kinds of investigations to prove liability for an injury. Again, the higher duty of care should be provided by the nursing home. Again, they're there to assist somebody, and if they're not doing their job and upholding their end of the deal, there can be a tremendous amount of liability. However, one of these things that is always kind of a difficulty in these cases, that these people are older. What is their life expectancy? They were already in poor health. They may not even live to see the end of this claim. And if they die before the claim, a large component of that claim is going to evaporate as well. So there's an incentive for insurance companies to stall and to drag their feet to try and resolve these claims, because if it goes long enough, they win. So again, if you've got a relative or, some loved one in a assisted care nursing home, you absolutely do want to talk to an attorney as soon as possible to figure out how to document this claim and whether or not you even have a valid claim. So again, very complicated cases and ultimately super tragic. Wouldn't wish those kinds of things on anybody, but if it does, give us a call. We'll help you out. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.